Hi! In front of me is the DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled. But you can always disable it by hitting the same shortcut again. You can also go into Devices Settings, tap on Display section and select Advanced at the bottom. Then scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!